5G is changing the landscape. On the way of globalization, ZTE relies on its independent innovation to expand its business footprint into the automobile industry. As a subsidiary of ZTE, Zonson Smart Auto is devoted to becoming a leading supplier of smart public transportation products and solutions. Since the settlement in Zhuhai in 2016, a complete system consisting of bus research and development, manufacture, test and verification, and customer service has been established. In 2019, we built a test center, an electro-coating workshop, the largest in South China, as well as an industrial-leading U-shaped production workshop with an annual capacity of 5,000 new energy buses. We have successfully obtained dozens of honorable titles such as the license for manufacturing new energy complete vehicles, the certificate for national high-tech enterprises, the EU certificate, and the GCC certificate. In 2021, our autonomous driving bus, Walking, is released. Producing more advanced, safer, and greener e-buses are generating sales and growing interest across nations. From Zhuhai to the Greater Bay Area, from Hainan to Wuhan, from South Korea to Kazakhstan, from UAE to Romania, from Germany to far Africa, Zonson Smart Auto is committed to deliver and show the world the finest of made in China innovation. Smart Auto, Smart Future.